After tibia fracture surgery, long periods without use cause muscle weakness, stiffness, and loss of normal leg coordination. When muscles remain inactive, they shrink in size, lose strength, and reduce their ability to stabilize the knee and ankle. Immobilization also stiffens the ankle and knee joints, limiting movement and increasing discomfort during early walking attempts. Physiotherapy safely restores mobility, rebuilds muscle strength, and retrains balance, so the leg can function normally again. Always begin exercises only after your orthopedic surgeon confirms the bone has healed enough for guided rehabilitation. Rehabilitation progresses in stages, starting with mobility, advancing to strengthening, and finishing with balance training. Ankle pumps improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and gently reactivate lower leg muscles without placing weight on the healing bone. Ankle circles restore joint mobility and improve coordination between the calf muscles and ankle stabilizers. Heel slides gently restore knee bending and activate thigh muscles, weakened during immobilization. Gentle calf stretching improves flexibility and prevents tightness that can alter walking patterns. This stretch improves ankle flexibility and prevents tight calf muscles from restricting proper walking mechanics. Restoring full knee extension is essential for normal walking and long-term joint protection. Isometric hamstring exercises activate posterior thigh muscles without stressing the healing bone. Light resistance begins rebuilding controlled strength around the ankle joint safely. Controlled standing mobility reintroduces safe weight bearing while improving ankle range. Quadriceps activation restores knee stability and prepares the leg for standing and walking safely. Straight leg raises strengthen the thigh without excessive pressure on the healing tibia. Seated calf raises rebuild strength gradually while minimizing full body weight stress. Weight shifting retrains the brain and muscles to accept pressure safely again. Mini squats rebuild coordinated strength across the hip, knee, and ankle. Resistance bands increase muscle activation gradually without sudden stress on the tibia. Partial wall sits build endurance in thigh muscles, supporting knee and tibia alignment. Standing calf raises rebuild power necessary for walking and climbing stairs. Shallow lunges improve coordinated strength across the entire lower limb safely. Hip strength supports leg stability and reduces pressure on the recovering tibia. Bridges restore hip power, essential for balanced walking and standing. Step-ups transition, strengthening into real-life functional movement. Controlled lowering builds eccentric muscle strength, critical for safe stair descent. Single leg balance retrains ankle stabilizers and restores confidence when supporting full body weight on the recovering leg. Unstable surface training challenges small stabilizing muscles and improves joint responsiveness during unexpected movements. Tandem walking enhances coordination and teaches the leg precise control during narrow base movement patterns. Lateral band walks strengthen hip stabilizers that protect the tibia from excessive inward stress. Gait retraining restores normal walking mechanics and prevents compensatory patterns that overload other joints. Proper push-off strength rebuilds propulsion power required for efficient, pain-free walking. Stair climbing challenges strength and control, reinforcing functional independence in daily life. Light jogging begins only after medical clearance, restoring dynamic impact tolerance gradually and safely. Consistent rehabilitation rebuilds muscle size, endurance, and long-term stability across the entire lower limb. With structured physiotherapy, the leg regains strength, balance, and confidence for full return to daily activities.